seen a few exciting ones. Again, we got close game. Every Super Bowl that New England's played in. The empty backfield. Wilson down the sideline. Lynch makes the catch. And he'll get tackled by Jamie Collins, but that's a big gain. Taking us to the 2-minute warning. They still have their 3 timeouts. Flank Lynch again. Hangs in there, throws. That's going to be a first down. 38-yard line, Ricardo Lockett. And now they'll hustle up to the line of scrimmage, preserving the timeouts. Under a minute and a half to go.
Well, we've seen when Logan Ryan has been in the game to play right before the half, and now they're coming back to him. Lockett's a guy with brilliant speed, so Ryan has to be careful.
Russell in the pocket. Russell for Carson. That's broken up again. And is it? But somehow, did he wind up with a football?
I think Butler hit it, and it fell right back down to the ground.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
Unbelievable.
Seen it all, but not that. Look at that.
But they're not in yet.
And there's Deron Harmon, who comes over the top. He had a chance to maybe kick it away. Hurst comes up with it. Amazing, the ball at the 5.
Now you have to stop Marshawn Lynch.
Who almost made the phenomenal play that wound up in Percy's arms. There are flags on the field for celebration. Amazing. Butler, a rookie free agent out of West Alabama.
They try to